Well, see, today is practice session. Practice session means I will be discussing problem and you have to solve it. These sessions is meant for you guys to learn, programming. How many problems I would discuss in the class, it will not really helpful for you. Only you need to practice. So please be sincere while learning coding skills. You have to strictly uh, follow your own logic. Try your level best. Then we can discuss the solution, possible solution. But try our level best to solve it. In the first attempt we might not solve the problem, but when we are keep on trying different problems, obviously we get that logic. So only with practice we can improve our programming skills. Well, these 1 hour sessions I will be taking only for you know uh, practice sessions. On Monday I will be taking full session for teaching purpose. Well, today what is the problem that we are going to discuss is find find maximum difference between two elements in an array such that such that such that smaller element always appears before the smallest element always always appears before the other element. For example, okay. Now thing is, we need to find the maximum difference between any two elements such that in that difference definitely one should be smallest element and other one should be greatest element, right? So the smallest element should appear left side. So if you just see this array, the maximum difference is actually 12 minus, see, always maximum difference is minimum element minus maximum element. Minimum element is 1, maximum element is 12. So with this you can identify that 11 is the maximum difference, but it is violating our criteria that minimum element should appear before the max element. Maximum difference is always fixed, that is minimum element, maximum element minus minimum element. But in this case, it is not satisfying second criteria that in that difference, the smallest element should appear left side and greatest element should appear right side. So though the maximum difference is 11, we cannot say as per the definition. So where is the maximum difference such that smallest element is left side and other element is on right side? Difference between 3 and 7, 4, 3 and 9, 6, 3 and 5, 2, 3 and 12, it is 9, 3 and 1, difference is 2. Difference is 2. Now if you consider 7, 9, it is only 2, 7, 5, 2, 7, 12, 5, 7, 1, 6. Now coming to 9, 9, 5, 4, 9, 12, 3, 9, 1, 8. 9, 1, 8 and so on. So now what is happening? Among all these different differences, we should find the maximum difference and such that left side element should be less than. So if you look at this, between 3 and 12 difference is 9 and 3 is on left side and 12 is on right side. Did you find any other element such that it gives the maximum difference as well as smaller element is on left side and other element is on right side? Did you find any other element? Hmm?
9 is the highest.
Sorry?
9 element is the highest one.
Only the difference 9 is maximum, right? That satisfies this condition. So we should return that max difference is 9. Max difference is 9. Okay. Now, how to solve this problem? So, two conditions. So, if it is just max difference, we can identify what is the minimum element and maximum element with a single scan. By using a single scan, we can identify smallest and greatest elements in that array and we can return the difference between those two as the max difference. But here we have one additional condition. So now how to solve this problem? Can you guys use your laptop to, you need this practice of using laptop to execute your programs. You can use RoughWork, try to solve it, and once you are done, get back to me. I'm giving 20 minutes of time. Try to solve this and get back to me. Huh.
Could you provide another test case to test the result?
Okay. Okay, 9875432. Is that list in decreasing order? Huh?
Yes, sir, it is in
Yes,
decreasing
sir.
order.
Yeah. So can we identify any max difference in such a list? Because the moment you are considering any element, all the right side elements are less than. But in order to find a max difference, the right side element should be greater than current element, right? So is there
Yes,
any
sir.
max difference in this list?
No, sir. No max difference.
No max difference, right? No max difference. In this case, return. In this case, you should return -1, negative value. And example 3. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now, what is the max difference? 0. Max difference is 0. Should I give one more example or sufficient?
Sufficient, sir.
Yeah. So if the list is in decreasing order, no max difference. And if list is in strictly increasing order, max difference is always first element, difference between the first and last elements. But if they are in some random order, it's a bit tricky.
Sir, completed.
Completed. Can you explain your logic? Later you can show your program. How you have done?
It's like we can iterate.
Hello,
Yeah.
your voice is very low. Please set up your microphone properly.
We can iterate through the array. For first index is 0 and next index is I plus 1.
Okay. No, just
And we can uh, calculate the difference, absolute of difference of I and j, if it is
okay.
greater than max difference. Initially, we can take 0 index and 1 index max difference.
Hmm.
And another condition is array of I is less than array of j.
No. See, you should not explain in that way. Just explain what is your logic.
iterate through the array, and for each step calculate the difference, which has to be
No. See, unless you explain in simple terms, which means that you have not understand it properly. Simple logic.
I understood, sir, but how to explain?
No. See, whenever you are explaining your logic, it should be in simple words. It shouldn't be like uh, you know if I is so and all that. That comes when you are explaining your program.
Okay, then I can tell like this. Uh, uh, every time difference has to be more, and left side has to be greater than the right side value.
Hmm. Hmm.
We can do like that. We can iterate through the array, and we can get the difference and see the difference, and we can keep a condition to take the difference and indexes.
Okay.
Sir, a small doubt.
Hmm.
I have understood the first and third example, but I'm confused, a little bit confused in second example. Can you repeat it again?
Yeah, second example. See,
Yes,
our
sir.
criteria is to determine the maximum difference. If it is simple max difference, you know that maximum element is 9 and minimum element is 2, right? In example 2.
Yes, sir.
So the max difference would be 7. Hmm? If you are considering it in normal way.
Yes, sir.
But here one more condition is there, that in the difference, smaller value should appear before the larger value. If you consider 9, the max difference is 7, we agree, but is that smallest element is on left side or right side?
Right side is small element, so we should not
Yeah,
consider that.
we should not consider. But by looking at the arrays, is it possible to determine, max difference which satisfies other condition too?
No, sir, it's not possible.
It's not possible because whatever element you consider, all of it left side elements are less than that. So it's not possible. In that case, uh, say that max difference is undefined. Instead of undefined, we are giving some value -1.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I got it.
Others, any simple solution? Others, see, if you are not participating in this, you will be bored of this course. If you actively participate, you will enjoy. Very simple. So you need to